Hey there, Johnny Lightning fans. Today we're taking a look at the 1991 GMC Syclone. This 1991 GMC Syclone is all-wheel drive, and the engine type is 4.3 liter turbocharged. And this vehicle is 6-speed manual, and this one is a pickup truck, and this one's made in the 90s, and it's compared with the Chevrolet S10. And this truck came out in the 90s of 1991, because that one is a classic truck, because it was from classic General Motors from the 90s and the 80s. General Motors was introduced in the 1900s, and it was also introduced in the 2000s. And also, the GMC Syclone can also have the hood that opens. You can see the engine. Here's the 4.3 liter turbocharged motor underneath the hood. It's a really cool truck. And there's the headlights, GMC grille, and GMC is for professional grade. That is for GMC. We are professional grade. And it's a 2-door pickup truck. And there's the exhaust, taillights, the Syclone lettering. Alright, that's all for the review of the Johnny Lightning 1991 GMC Syclone. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So, just make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And thanks for watching, and have fun with your Johnny Lightning toy cars, boys and girls. As if always, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.